talk to you about some issues that keep coming up, okay? And when I see issues coming up over and over and over again, you know I got to address the issues, okay? All right, so when you're filing a legitimation case, and even if you have an agreement from the mother that you guys are going to agree to parenting time, you guys are going to agree to a name change, you guys will agree that you will be added to the birth certificate, you can have a full agreement, but guess what? You still have to have a child support worksheet, a child support addendum. Child support needs to be addressed even if you and the mother say, listen, we don't even want to address child support. Now, here's where the confusion is coming in at. A lot of you guys that are doing pro se complaints, and you're seeing in your pro se complaint where there's a box where you can check whether child support needs to be addressed. Listen, it doesn't matter if you check that box or not. Child support will have to be addressed, okay? So don't think if you don't check that little box that child support will not be addressed. Child support will be addressed, okay? So even if you guys have equal parenting time and you guys are saying, oh, no one's going to pay child support, that's fine. We still have to run a child support worksheet. We still have to deviate it down to zero. We still have to justify why we're deviating down to zero, because it's not automatic that you get a deviation down to zero just because you have equal parenting time, okay? So I want to be clear on that as well. But even if you guys are saying we're deviating from the presumptive amount of child support that is showing on the child support worksheet, a child support worksheet still has to be done, and child support still has to be addressed in the settlement agreement, okay? So you need to know that. You have to know that. If you do not address child support in your consent, then guess what's going to happen? It's not going to be signed off on. It is not going to be signed off on. Now, there are some exceptions. Like if the two of you guys still live in the same household and you're just simply signing a legitimation consent, then child support doesn't have to be addressed, okay? And then even if, you have a child support order with child support services, most judges still will address child support in your case, okay? In your consent with Superior Court. So I want to be clear on that. All right, but please, please, please know that child support will be addressed, okay? All right, I'm attorney Terri S. Herron. I just wanted to come on quickly and address that because, again, you guys need to know what's going on in your cases, especially if you're trying to take this on yourself, and which I never recommend because I see the aftermath of that. But listen, even if you're trying to do your own case, you need to know these things. All right, have a good day.